In this video, we're going to take a look at vMix for podcast recording. So we're using vMix here, and vMix is a video production software, but you can also use it for recording some audio. And so just the overview of the video side of things is on the left here is my preview window, and on the right is my live window. So this is what's actually being recorded going out live. And then all these along the bottom are all my current inputs. So there's all kinds of things you can put in here. But if you needed to see one bigger, you would just click on one to get it to show up in the preview window, and then decide if you want to make it go live, you would move it over here. So that's kind of the video layout. But in the bottom right hand corner, I have my audio. And so you can see here on my inputs on the left, I've added inputs, and I have the green microphone, this one here, and then I have the orange ATR 2100 over here, and they're both coming in USB. If I wanted to add more inputs, I would just come in the bottom left, click add input, choose audio input, and then I could select any USB audio interface that I needed. So whether I had just an audio interface or a USB mixer or another USB microphone, I could just add more inputs here. And then going along to the audio side of those, right now this M is for master. So the green microphone is going to the master bus, and the orange microphone is going to the master bus. But if I want to have separate recording, I can send this one to A and this one to B. And so now when I go to my recording options here, I can do this WAV file record, and it will record A and B on separate tracks, and I can keep my separate tracks that way. And so I could record the video too if I needed to do that. All those settings are here for video, but mainly just check this box so that the WAV file is encoded as well. And then the other thing you can do is go to any of the inputs and for the audio mixer side and click on this, and you can change, plugin, you can do VST plugins, you can adjust volume, noise gate, EQ, compressor, mixer, matrix, all of this stuff. So very full featured as far as what the options are as far as that goes. But yeah, basically you would just, set everything up, bring it in via the USB, add your inputs, set these up. If you wanted to get fancy and start panning as far as left and right, then you could probably do master, left, right, A, left, right, B, left, right, and get up to 6 independent channels, I believe you could do for recording separate tracks. And then the other thing is, if you do decide that you want to stream it live on any platform, you just go to the stream, go to the gear icon here, and then you could select where do you want to stream to, Facebook streaming or YouTube or Twitch or wherever you want to go. You would select your option out of the list and be able to stream out that way. So you could kind of do everything all at once from one computer. So that is kind of the basics of how to use vMix for live streaming. Probably other platforms, XSplit or Wirecast or OBS could do similar things. But I think that vMix brings a lot of features to a podcaster that could use it for that. Thanks.